Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We have got a big political update now coming in. This is a big breaking news with regards to the word coming in from Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has spoken about why BJP needs 400 seats and has been talking about 400 par in this election season. He said that the BJP would build Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple in Mathura and Kashi Vishwanath Temple in place of Gyan Vapi Mosque in Varanasi after it wins 400 seats in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. Let's listen in to what Assam Chief Minister exactly said.
फिर भी जब कांग्रेस लोग हम लोग से पूछते रहा, भाई आपको 400 सीट क्यों चाहिए, तो मेरा दिमाग में लगा इसका जवाब भी होना चाहिए। तो मैंने सुबह कांग्रेसियों को बोला कि भाई देखो, जब हमारा 300 सीट था हमने राम मंदिर बनाया, अभी हमारा 400 सीट होगा, मथुरा में भी कृष्ण जन्मभूमि बनेगा और ज्ञान व्यापी मस्जिद का जगह में बाबा विश्वनाथ का बड़ा भव्य मंदिर बनेगा। तो अब हमें सीट देते रहिए और मुगलों ने जितना कारनामा करके गया था हम लोग सब साफ करते करते चला जाऊंगा।
We have CNN News 18's Arun Dhanta joining us on the phone line over this story. Arun, a very good morning to you. Well, temple rhetorics has been a very crucial element of the ongoing Lok Sabha season, Arun. But seems like that Assam Chief Minister's statement is now going to spark several debates.
Well, that's right. We'll have to see that how the reactions come on this Himanta Biswa Sarma's statement, because as of now, BJP has not actually spoken about the Krishna Ram Janmabhoomi in Mathura. Specifically, if you talk about the BJP manifesto, in fact, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat in the past has said that now we should not really get into this politics of these things and focus on other issues. Ram Temple, of course, was one of the issues which he said was important for us. Now it has been built, it has been constructed. We'll see what can be done next. But they have not really talked about the Krishna Janmabhoomi, Mathura, and also, of course, the Gyan Vapi Mosque issue in Uttar Pradesh. So we'll have to see that how opposition parties are going to react to this. Of course, Krishna Janmabhoomi has been one of the issues which BJP has been prominently talking about, but they have not specifically mentioned it anywhere that after the construction of Ram Temple, they would want to build Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple in Mathura. Of course, the Gyan Vapi matter, which is of course Kashi Vishwanath Temple, that matter is in the courts. The archaeological survey happened in that temple as well. The permission, of course, was given for the puja in the premises. So we'll have to see which way this is going. But of course, the Himanta Biswa Sarma saying that when opposition parties ask that why BJP need 400 seats, so therefore this is his answer, what he says when he was addressing the crowd there.
All right, Arun, thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story. But right now, we are shifting focus to whole another breaking news now coming in.